Ultimate Archer, the most recent 1st Special Operation Wings Task Force exercise, took place at Hill Air Force Base in Utah. The mountainous landscape and high elevation posed a challenge for the CV-22s and MC-130s taking part in the exercise.
The ultimate objective of this was to give us, the entire 1SAL, an opportunity to advance our training, to figure out a way of how do we improve what we always do on a daily basis. How do we get out of the standard, flat lands of Florida? We come up here, we got the mountains, we got the cold weather. Aircraft and people respond differently in the different environments. So we should not wait to go into overseas locations and learn what a different environment does to us. So I think that we got that just by leaving Hurlburt and doing something a little more complex with a set scenario.
Everyone involved had to work together and share information for this exercise to be a success. And they did it all away from the comfort of their workstations at Hurlburt Field.
We're getting guys out of home station environment, out of just unilateral training, combining them and integrating training. So it ramps up the training level and it better prepares our guys to execute how we do real world in a deployed environment.
Part of transforming training was creating scenarios they may only see while on a deployment, like setting up a forward air refueling point.
Being able to establish a FARP site, making sure that we actually were able to, get it set up. We have to make sure that we're staying sharp as far as with our procedures, because it's not often that we get to do it, but when we need to do it, we have to be on point.
For most of the airmen in the Joint Special Operations Air Detachment, that point came during the final night of the exercise.
When last night happened, you could see the motions take place. You could see the staff working. They all came together for what we needed to do to make sure that the air crew and everybody that was outside flying knew what to do, when to do it, and really how to do it.
The exercise began at a slow pace, helping the air and ground crews overcome a few challenges, but nothing that kept them from completing their set goals. Tech Sergeant Kevin Dennison, Hill Air Force Base, Utah.